technically daisy chaining them should work, but I'm not confident enough to do it, so well, I don't want to blow this thing up, so I'm not gonna. Actually, let's put this here, since it will be this way, and this one goes here. This one, well, I wanted to put a full cable, but they're expensive, and the black and red ones are all out of stock, so there's really nothing I can do. And we also need we need so many cables. Like this already looks a lot, but and then you need consider I have to use extensions to make them beautiful. Well, I don't have to, but I want to. So I would really like to have, you know, what's it called? The full custom cable kit, but I don't. This one should be sufficient. The smaller Sailor one, there's also a larger one, but I don't think we need that. Okay. So yeah, if that was available, I would buy it. It's expensive, but well, what can I do? So now we need to install the power supply, which means I have to take this thing out, find my screwdriver, and install it on this bracket. Okay, so for better or worse, it's in. Shit. So here's the mess, and this is without cable extensions. So yeah, it's not gonna be easy. But you know, we will manage. There should be all the cable extensions I need, which are so many. No idea what the fuck this is. Alright, let's install the splitter for the RGB since I can't fit everything here.
This is not always so many. It is so many fucking wires. It's almost impossible. I really want custom games right now. I can't wait to leave this town.
Alright, I well managed the cables somewhat. So now let's see if this bastard even turns on. Because if it doesn't, well, I will be mad. So let's press the button. Oh shit. That thing is sick. You can't even. Well, a moment like every fan blew up. I will go to BIOS. And this filter on top might need some adjusting. Because yeah, but yeah, it's sick. Anyway, it turned on, so I will now try to figure it out a bit more. Cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights